How to create a print-on-demand store using Wix. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It's actually going to be a very simple process, and you can actually go ahead and start. It's not going to be for free, but you can start for free and test things out. But then you will need to upgrade in order to actually do more things like accepting payments and so on. But for the time being, you can actually go ahead and create your site completely for free and create your Wix account for free. So just visit wix.com, and just once you create your account for free, you're going to land on this dashboard, and you basically just want to click on sites, and then from here you just want to click on create new site from the top right corner. This is going to allow you to start building your site. This is going to be a pop-up that is not going to show for everybody. This is for users who used Wix Studio, but I'm just going to build with the default Wix editor. We're not going to be using Wix Studio. So the first pop-up that you are going to be able to see most likely is this, which is going to allow you to create your site with AI. It's just basically going to ask you a few questions, and you answer them, and you give them some sort of prompts, and it's going to personalize the site more for you. But I prefer to go without chat, so I'm just going to click on setup without chat. And then you're going to list what type of store you want to create, or what type of website, I should say, that you're trying to create. And here we can do, I believe if you did go for print on demand, it's going to show us something. If not, then in this case we can just go ahead and select online store or something along the lines. It's not going to really reflect much on our site, except provide us with unique templates that we can search for. And also this screen right here is going to be a little bit different depending on the type of store that you picked. So here, because we picked online store first, we're just going to give our store a name. So I'm just going to name it test store, and I'm just going to keep it like that. Click on continue, and this is going to be the different setup that you may find it to be different for you depending on the type of store that you picked. So here you're going to have the options. No, I'm just starting out. I'm just going to select that. And then I'm just going to do digital products or that, and then print on demand products is pretty much our main focus here. Again, this is not very important. It's not really going to determine. If you don't see this, it's completely fine. You can completely skip this, and it's not going to really make a whole lot of difference. Now, here's the thing. You will need to select online store within the apps and click on continue to dashboard. And this is going to allow us to visit our main dashboard here. Pretty much all the functions are going to be working for us. You will be able to upgrade here. You can go to settings and set up more things, important things like accepting payments and the different payment methods that you want to accept. Obviously, each country is going to be different. Here for the UAE, we have Stripe as the main one for credit and debit card payments, PayPal, and so on. So just feel free to set them up, but again, you're not going to be able to accept payments unless you upgrade to the premium plan for Wix. Now that we have this all out of the way, and I do recommend that you go through these settings, for example, the general settings, domains, and such, just to fill up these information, because it's going to make your site more professional, obviously. So you would want to have that going on for you. Now, once this is done, we can just get started by going to the home page for our dashboard. And because we picked online store as our type of website that we want to build, we have the catalog. It does install the store for you automatically. But if you don't see the catalog, then it's completely fine. You will need to actually install it. So we can first go to the home page, and then from the home page, we want to click on design site from the top right corner. If it's your first time, it's going to say design site. If it's your second time, it's going to say edit site. So first time, again, just click on edit design site and pick a template. If you want to design with AI, that's up to you. I'm just going to pick a template and use it for my store. Templates nothing matters about the template except how it actually looks, so don't really think too much about it. Just find a site or a template that you like the looks of and just click on edit. And either way, it's just going to be, you're going to be able to completely change the entire thing and edit it to your liking, so do not worry about it. Now, actually, that I think about it, we don't really need to install the store right away. We actually need to install the actual print-on-demand provider instead of the Wix stores. So we are going to be doing that first. But before that, you are going to be able to first set up your site itself. And if it's your first time, it's just going to load in the apps that it installed for us. But once this is done, we can start managing our site. You can start customizing your pages and adding new pages, removing them, your menu, your headers, adding your logo. All of these things are going to be when it comes to designing the Wix website. I'm not going to show you how to design your site. Sorry for the English here, but basically, you may need to find another video from our channel on how to actually design a Wix website, but this is not the video for it. So I'm just going to leave things as they are currently. But you can, generally speaking, you can go to pages and set them up from within this section here, and then obviously adjust them with the simple drag and drop options with Wix. Once you're happy with your pages, you simply just click on Add Apps from the left panel. And once you click on Add Apps, we're going to go for the most popular one for print on demand, which is Printify. So you can just search up Printify, and you're going to be able to find it right away. It's going to be this little green icon with the P on it, and you simply just click on Add to Site. This is going to be how to add any app on Wix through this method. So for example, online, or let's just do Wix stores. If you don't see the catalog from your dashboard, you just simply search for Wix stores and install this one. And same goes for the rest of the apps. If you want to use a different one, aside from Printify, just go ahead and search it up. Maybe you'll be able to find it, maybe not. It really depends on which app Wix does integrate with. Now, once you actually install Printify, it's going to ask you to create your account or log in. Really depends, and it's going to be a free account that you can create. Next up is that you basically need to connect to Wix and give your store a name. So I'm just going to give it a name and click on connect. Once that's done, you should be able to see this screen. Ta-da, you just connected your Wix store, and you'll be able to now start creating your products and publishing them on your Wix website. You can just click on My Products or exit out of here, and you'll be able to do so. So if you click on My Products, it's going to take you to this page within printify.com. From here, you just need to make sure that within the stores section, which should be right underneath their logo, you select the Wix website, not any other website that you have connected or store that you have connected. So just make sure it is the Wix store that is connected. And then you simply just go to My Products, and here you're going to find the list of all the different products that you have. If you don't have any just yet, you can go to Catalog, click on that real quick, and just set up any of these products. You can go for t-shirts, shoes, whatever it may be. There's plenty of products that you can set up here. And once you set them up and design them and everything, which I'm going to show you real quick, you're going to be able to find them in My Products, and this is going to link with your Wix site, basically. It is that simple. So let me just go ahead and go to Catalog and find something to design. Now, once you actually select a category from the catalog, you'll be able to just obviously browse, see which one you like when it comes to design and when it comes to the pricing points and everything, and just click on it to be able to start designing it. Click on Start Designing, and this should take you over here, and you're going to be able to design it to your liking. And obviously, you'll have the ability to choose the different colors that you want to provide. Now, obviously, each product is going to have its own set of colors. Not everything is going to have shared colors here, as you can see. And then you can just click on Upload if you want to upload something to your design here from your device. And we can just go to, let's go desktop here. And I'm going to upload this PNG image. And this should set it up here for us. We will be able to resize it and everything. And then we are good to go. We basically just want to select the colors here and the sizes, which is a one size here for this case, and then we can just click on Save Product. So once you're happy with it, just click on Start Publishing, and then just click on Publish one more time. There's plenty of things that I skipped when it comes to details, like little things like mock-ups, designs, more about designing stuff. But generally speaking, this is what you need to do. Set an image to be the main one, and just click on Publish, and this should publish it to your site. Again, just make sure that you selected the proper site that you want to publish it to, and I showed you already how to do so. If you were not paying attention for some reason, it's going to be right over here. Just make sure it says test store Wix or the name that you actually gave it. Now the status is going to be publishing, but then once it's actually done, it should be published and it should light up to be green. This means that it is now currently running on your Wix store. And then obviously the last step for you to do is basically find a page where you want to list them, so people can actually go ahead and click on them, see the product page for them, and be able to purchase them. It is very simple. So let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so it is taking quite a lot of time here, but it is still publishing. But as it is actually publishing, I went to check on the catalog and I saw that it already exists on my website here. So it already exists, but it's still not fully published. Okay, now it is actually fully published. If we refresh this, we should be able to find it with the images and everything, and it should be on our catalog section, product section, and you're going to be able to find it. And obviously not only find it, but you're going to also be able to edit this product with the title and description and everything. And again, last thing is going to be going to the home page, clicking on design site or edit site. And then from there, you basically just want to find a page where you list all the different products that you have selected with the print on demand service. With that being said, I showed you exactly how to create your store, obviously with some details on the side, but you can figure them out. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful and informative, and thanks for watching.